Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Harika. So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can actually switch between pages using tabs. In previous video, we have seen the same example, but that was using buttons. So if you have a button, we were clicking that particular button. So let me just, I think this is, yes, this is the buttons button. So if I have a button, whenever I'm clicking on that particular button, it will take me to the certain page whatever the button is linked with, right? But in today's example we are going to see and achieve the same thing but using tabs. So this is all about how you want your application to have a particular look, right? So if someone wants buttons, then we can do it using buttons, right? So that whenever I click on home page, it shows me the home page. When I click on next, it takes me to the next page. Whenever I'm clicking on the previous, it will take me to back to home page, and then employment details, it will take me to this page, right, to the previous and to the next. So this is like that what we have seen in the previous video. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll provide that link in the description, or else you can check out that on my channel, how you can switch between the pages using buttons. In today's video, we are going to see how you can achieve the same thing using the tabs. Okay, so we have multiple tabs and how you can switch to the different pages using tabs. So I'll explain this right from the scratch. And yes, there are certain things that which we have already seen in the previous video, which I'll not be giving a lot of focus to them. But you can, if you wanted to learn them, what are those details and all, I'll be talking through the video, and you can learn it by whatever the videos that I will be providing in the links and also in the description. Yes, without any ado, let's get into the video and see how we can actually do this whole process. So yes, first and the foremost, I'll delete this existing tab, okay? And we will create from the beginning, okay? So this both things, I'm just keeping them as it is because it's just a header, normal header, and this is an image that I've binded already, which I'm taking from the storage bucket. So if you wanted to know this, again, there is a complete and a clear video explaining how you can do this from the scratch in a step-by-step way on my channel. Go check it out, and also you can find this particular video's link in the description as well as on the top of the video. Yes, so without further ado, let's see how we can actually take a tab and switch between the pages. So the first thing that you should know is creating the page. So to switch between the tabs, pages, you should have the page created already. So if you see here, I have created 3 pages, right? Home page, personal information page, and the employment details page. So how you can create a page? Let's go over here in the control, click on the page and select one page. So if you see here, we should give some name to the page. So how you can rename this? Let's say policy details page. Okay. And here, let's keep some header just to understand that this is a policy page. Okay. Let's pull in this and then style this a little bit by keeping it in the center and then giving some coloring and changing the fonts, right? Making it a little bold and keeping it to the center. And then let's change the name of the page to policy page, right? Done. Save. So this is my policy page, right? And then you can give whatever the information that you want on your page, but the whole idea is switching between the tabs. I'll explain you that part more clearly, but before do that, you should have the pages created, right? I have my 4 pages here. So let's keep something for employment details page as well. I'm gonna add a header, which is, I wish we can copy something like this. Let's try. Yeah, great. So let's change this one thing to employee details page. Okay. Okay. Employee details page. Nice. So this is just to have an idea for you that we are in the different pages. Okay. So yeah. Once that is done, let's go to the main page, and in the main page, let's take one control, which is tab. Okay, let's take the tabs. Just put that over here, and you can see that by default we've got 3 tabs, and we can add more based on our need, right? So now I have 4 pages, so I will add one more tab. So how you can add the tab? Just give one more. That's it. It will keep on adding based on how many tabs you need, right? And if you see, let's rename these tabs, right? So I have my pages. Based on the pages, I'm going to rename the names of the tab. I have home page, personal information page, employee details page, and the policy details page. So let's rename them. If you see here, there is something called as tab name. Okay, let's rename this as home page. Okay, save, and the same thing, employee details page, sorry, personal information page, personal info, just skip personal information. Okay, and that's done. Third tab is employment details page, so just edit it, employment details. Done. Then the fourth one is policy details page, policy details. Perfect. So we have renamed all the tabs as we want. And the last and the final thing that we need to do is linking the pages to the tabs. So the home page holds the page source. There's something called as page source. Just double click on it. It will show you all the pages that you have in this particular app. So just link home page. Done. When you see here, it's linking to the home page. And then personal information page, just pull that over here, and employment details page. Perfect. And then policy details page. Right? That's it. We have linked all the tabs to the different pages based on that need. Right? So if you see here in the styles, whatever the tab that's active, that will be having this blue color. Right? Good. So let's go to the preview and just have a final look how our application looks like. So, and also one more thing I just wanted to show you here is, let's just get open. So if you see here in the styling, if you see the tabs are there, right? So if you adjust this, it will be adjusted in this way, like center, left, right. And the final one, I have kept it as a stretch. That means it will be stretched and you can see the complete view of the tab. So now what I'm going to do here, if you see, okay. And also if you see here, this is very small, right? I'm not able to see the whole page. So here, if you see, this is large tab already. Let's try and see if we can increase the size, right, to 650 and height also to 650. Width is, let's keep the width auto and the height as 650. Perfect. So now I can see the whole information instead of like very small view. I can see the whole view of that particular app. So let's see how this looks like. Perfect. So I can see the whole page. If at all needed, there will be an option to scroll. So if you see here, there is an option to scroll because this page is bigger. Employment details and the policy details. Perfect. So now we've already seen 2 ways how we can switch between the pages using buttons and using tabs. And the next one that I'm going to showcase in a step-by-step tutorial is how you can switch between pages using a drop down. So let's say, imagine a Flipkart or Amazon site. There will be an option to search whether it's a menswear, women's wear, kids wear, right, kitchenware or whatever. So you can just click on that particular button from the drop down just like this. Okay, just like this. When you click on the certain thing, it will show you, right, the appropriate thing. It will take you to that particular page. So my idea is when I click on that particular home page from the drop down, it will take me to the home page. When I click on it on the personal information page from the drop down, it will take me to the personal information page. So that is the step by step tutorial that I am going to show in the next video. So if you like all these series and all these videos, please do enhance your support and also provide your comments and your thoughts in the comment section. And I'd like to hear from you. And if there are any questions or issues, please feel free to reach out either on my LinkedIn or you can just comment it down. So I'll try to help to the extent that I can from my end. And also, if you find the videos useful and informative, please do like the videos and share across your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. That will give me a lot of motivation. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video next time. Till then, bye.